Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can deconstruct and sell a ship that you no longer want so you can get the full value out of it without having to abandon it and completely leave it and all of its components laying on the side of the road. So the first thing you can do is you can deconstruct it at a base. You know, you can go to a space station and you can deconstruct it in the back over here. You can also sell it. Like, you can exchange it with another NPC that lands here with a cool looking ship, or a ship that's like really good, that's like S tier. And if you do that, you can also have your buddy come with you in the same group and then buy your ship back from whatever NPC that you sold it to, and then that's how you can kind of exchange ships with your buddy. But just make sure that whatever you do, you've removed any components that you actually want to keep from the ship that might get deconstructed. So like if you want the rocket pod, or if you want like a spare Aeron shield, you can literally just store the technology from some of those and put those in your exosuit pocket. You can't save all of these, but you can save a few. So take out all of your upgrade modifications and store them. And then go back here to the back of the area, and then there's underneath of like the giant face here of the station is the ship fabricator and the ship outfitting station. You want the ship outfitting station. That's the one that allows you to salvage the ship for its components. So make sure it's the right one selected. This is the generic V Reborn, like Sentinel named ship that I grabbed in my previous tutorial about getting a Sentinel ship. And from here, I can begin the salvage analysis, and it'll tell me what this ship is worth. So this C-class ship is worth about 16 million units. Most of these Sentinel ships are worth quite a bit, so you could actually spend a little bit of time farming these if you're on an easy-to-farm planet full of Sentinels. And I can claim this, and it'll break the ship down into a bunch of different components that I can go to the terminal behind me, and then I can sell. So it gives me like spools of nano cables and like ship interface components and stuff. So I go to sell. You'll find things that say that they're meant for being sold, because like these compressed indium scraps, it says here component is useful only as scrap to be sold at the trade terminal. That's how you know, and that's worth 3 million. And then there should be some other components like Starship AI valves worth 12 million. And you've also got the spools of nano cables. I can sell those. And I also have a hyaline brain that I can't really use because I got a spare one off of a Sentinel ship. So you can just sell things like that too here. And then subatomic regulators are another one. And that should more or less be all of my ship components that I can sell. And now I've made quite a bit more credits so that I can buy even more stuff. So that's one way that you can make money off of selling your old ships and stuff. It will then spawn your backup ship. It makes sure that you have at least one ship in rotation. If you only have one ship, it won't let you deconstruct it and strand yourself. But if you don't want whatever ship it spawns for you, you can just go into here. Go into your ship spawning area, and then find the option that looks like a bunch of multicolored spaceships. And then here you can spawn an alternate ship. This is the one that I have currently. That is actually decent, although I'm looking for a better one. This one's only B class. I'm looking for either an A or an S class. But that's how you deconstruct a ship. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.